Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make gradient overlapping text effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I'll be choosing YouTube thumbnail as my canvas. So before starting I will request all of you to please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss another update from DLC Ventures India. So let's start with it. So first I will go to apps. And here I will type gradient, and after opening the app I will just scroll down here to find the main text, and here I will write vibes. Okay, and make sure the font is Anton, and just delete the middle icon or the middle arrow here, and I will use only two icons here. So the first icon color will be red, and the last icon color will be golden yellow. Okay, so the two color choices are done. Now we will work on the gradient texture. So for doing that you will be needing something like this type of icon so that it looks perfect, and you can work accordingly if you want. Okay, so if you want to make it a double line, then only you will need the line height icon. Otherwise, if you don't need it, as I don't require in this single line, single word, so I am not using it. I will click on add to design. Okay, and after that I will just middle it. After middling it, I will click on the type icon here and write vibes to save the document name, and I will click on share, click on download, and make sure the file type is PNG, and click on the transparent background icon and hit download. So as the download is done, now you don't require this text. Just bring the downloaded icon or the downloaded image here and just adjust it according to the canvas, and after that just crop it. Okay, and now you need to do one thing, which is cropping the letters one by one. So first I will be doing for V. Let's zoom in and work on it. Next I will be doing for I. Now you need to hit any of the letters here and just click on layers, click on show layers, so that you can see that here the letters are arranged in this order, like the last one is showing above and the first one is showing below. Okay, so B is duplicated twice, so I will just delete it. Okay, and when I just checked it, I will click on the first letter and click on edit. After clicking on edit, we'll go to shadows, and this time you have to just note down the settings here. You'll need to go to drop. After that, make sure the blur amount is 20, the angle is 25, the distance is 30, and the intensity is 50. Okay, so this is the setting we will be using for all the 5 letters, and just hit in the canvas so that the setting is adjusted in the letters. Okay, so if the setting is not getting in the canvas here, just refresh the page and it will get reflected. So as you can see, the work for V is done. Now we'll work for I. Same settings you will do. Now just zoom in to crop the icons so that the editing is done properly. And just bring them closer so that the overlapping is perfect. Now click on Ctrl A and click on Shift so that you don't select the V and just bring them closer. So the adjustment is done. Now we will just unzoom it and make sure all the icons are of the same size, all the letters, and now we will click on background color to be a solid color like this. Okay. Now you can use scales to check if the line height is okay or not. So this one should be a little smaller. Okay, so this one is done. Let's now hold all of them and make them bigger. Just click on Ctrl A to bring them in the middle. So the middle is done. After that, we will go to share again and click on download. Again, download it as transparent background. And bring it to the canvas. And make it to the same size. After making it to the same size, just crop it and just flip it and bring just below it. After that, and click on gradient shadow and use the first one. Again, flip vertical, make it bigger, duplicate it and put it just below. Okay, So this is the tutorial, and hope you like this tutorial. This is a easy one, and I hope you learned something from it. Thank you.